tired. Me and my dog Pumpkin here are gonna go on a nature walk around the neighborhood and look for flowers, bugs, rocks, pine cones, anything that we can find in nature. So come on, let's go! Look! Pumpkin has found some yellow daisies. Look at these pretty flowers we have found on the nature walk. Pumpkin did a wonderful job spotting some daisies. Here I have pine cones. I found tiny pine cones along the road on my walk. I also found a piece of bark. How do you think that bark got off the tree? Look, I have found a dandelion. Now you are going to make a wish. After you make a wish, you're gonna blow on this flower and see what it does. Hang on, I gotta think of a wish. I got one. As I am traveling down the road on my nature walk, I have noticed there's several trees around me. That is a part of nature. If you can listen closely, I cannot see any birds, but I can hear birds chirping on my nature walk. You can also hear the wind blowing in the background. Look at this old tree. It has bark all over it. You can see the roots. You can see how some of the bark is weathered. And look, there's also a hole in this tree. This could be a habitat for an outdoor animal, such as a squirrel or a bird. Right up here, you can tell that there's pieces of the bark missing from the tree. By looking at this tree, we can tell that this tree has been around for several years. Take your animals with you on your nature walk. They love to be outside as much as us humans do. I have found a birdhouse. This is a habitat for a bird. They can create a nest inside the birdhouse. Sometimes in nature, you'll either see a birdhouse or a bird nest. Birds can live in both. Here are some items you would like to bring along with you on a nature walk. There's a hat for shade to help protect your face. Also, sometimes when you're walking in nature, there's lots of sticks and bugs and stuff that can get in your hair, so it is ideal to wear a hat. There's also a pair of binoculars so you can see things up close, such as birds or other animals. Also, you would want to put on sunscreen to protect your skin when you're out in the sun doing a nature walk. Sometimes it can be very buggy, so it is important to put on bug repellent. Also, a pair of sunglasses just in case it's really sunny. And of course, you should bring a bottle of water along with you to stay hydrated when you're out in this heat. Thank you, Summer's team, for coming along with me on my nature walk. Also, if you have a pair of binoculars laying around your house, bring them on your nature walk with you. You can spot birds and be able to see them up in a close view. Come back to see what we're doing tomorrow.